everybody, it's Celestia and welcome to A Crafter's Story. So Lynn from Contenta Crafts has a hashtag called Scrappies, Scraps and Strips, and I have not participated in this hashtag before, so today's going to be my first time. So I'm going to just take a piece of paper here and I'm going to use up some of my little scrappy bits that I've got here to make a kind of, the idea was a feather, but the one I made turned into what looked like a leaf. So I thought, oh well, leaf it is. So I'm going to kind of just, no, that's terrible. Let's start that again. Let me see, I'll maybe start from the top. Maybe that's my, let's see, like, kind of like this. All right, so there's my leaf, and then I think it could be a little chunkier. Let's make my leaf a little chunkier, maybe even on both sides. Yeah, that'll do, I think. And then I'll just go up and give it a middle. I'm just going to leave those lines there because I'm going to glue over it anyway. So I've already cut a bunch of my strips and I'm going to lay them down. No, I'm not. Nope. Scrap that. I'm going to roughly cut this out. And is it roughly? No, not roughly. Maybe I should cut it up properly because otherwise I won't know where my lines are. So I take that back. It's not roughly, it's going to be properly cut out. So I have my shape. Let's try and do this quickly. I love the idea of using up my scraps because, man, I tell you something, I throw nothing out and that's a problem. It's a space problem. All right, so let me get rid of those little bits on the side there and get my, I've just got some Elmer's regular glue here. Put down some regular glue and then I'm just going to kind of follow my middle line, and in places are probably where there's curves I'm probably going to overlap. And just get this down. I'm going to try and work quickly without sort of feeling like I'm rushing. Yeah, it moved. It moved. Don't move. And like so. So I'll do most of it for you, just to show you how I did this, and then show you the one that I completed because I think it takes a bit too long to do these. I don't want to mess it up, but at the same time I want to show you how I did it. So I will do the one side and then I want to show you because, and the reason I'm saying this is because I want to show you how I used the one that I made. I haven't done it yet and I want to do it with you. So I think you guys get the idea, right? You're going to be, and in places you're going to overlap, and that's okay. And like so. Almost there. Okay, so I've done it on this side, and then I'll repeat it on the other side. And once it's all done, I will just cut it all loose. So I'm risking a little bit because the glue's not quite dry, so hopefully I'm not lifting any. but I wanted to do the one side with you, and just to keep the video at a reasonable time, I did make one up front. So there you go. So that's what it'll look like. You're going to repeat the process on the other side. And then I took some black paint, or you can just take a Sharpie and you can just retrace your middle line. So where is my other one? This is the one I've already made, and it's done. So I took black paint and I kind of overdid it a little bit with the black paint. So I came in with some white paint and just took away some of that harsh blackness. And I think it's fine. I think it turned out really nicely. Let me just close my glue quickly. And I thought, you know, this is going to be really nice. Let me move this away. Move all these bits out of our way. Come back with my leaf. I'm going to put it on a card, you guys. So I've got a little bit of cardstock here. It's a piece that I ripped the edges just to make it nice and sort of organic looking. So I laughed at myself because I really wanted to make a feather, but yeah, no, I did not manage. It didn't look like a feather. I mean, it looks like a leaf. It's very clearly not a feather. But that's okay. That's all right. At the end of the day, it's still going to make a nice card. See if I can get all the little corners down. I think I might want to put a little bit of Eileen's here because it's not really, the Elmer's washable stick glues are not bad. I just don't think they last. They tend to peel up on me a little bit. I'm a glue snob. I like my strong glues. All right, and now I'm just going to take my leaf. And we close this. I can put it back upside down. And put my leaf down. Let's see. Do I do it? I guess that'll be nice. Something like that. And then this could be obviously any kind of card. I just made it generic, and I have this little thing that says life teaches, love reveals. I'm not sure when I would use a card that said this, but let's move that up. But I liked it, and I just thought, yeah, I'm going to use that. And I am sure that if I leave it in my card box for long enough, there will be a moment when oh my goodness, there will be a moment when I can use a card with this sentiment on it. And because that's what I feel like doing, that's what I'm going to do. So, okay, it's going to go down there. So I'm trying to be careful because this black ink that I've got takes forever to dry and it smudges everywhere. So I'll probably have it, yeah, on my hands. All right, you guys, but you know, if you have all your little scrappy bits and you have this sort of wonky shaped little leaf, and you just go from the center out, and then you go both sides, and then just accentuate your edges. I mean, you could even sort of ink the edges. I probably should have done that with this. It's okay that I didn't. I can come in with a marker. Let me press down here just for a second because it's all lifting on me. Oh, don't lift. Yeah, see? That's what I need to change my ink. Anyway, I will do a quick little flyby. And thank you so much, Lynn, because this is a really great hashtag to scrap bust and get rid of a bunch of little bits and pieces that I've been holding on to. And I really like the fact that I can make cards out of it as well. So please look up that hashtag because there's quite a few people that are participating. And then, of course, also please go to Lynn's YouTube channel. She has amazing crafts, and just show her a little YouTube love. Thank you so much for stopping by, everybody, and I will see you next time. Bye.